today I created a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a simple YouTube intro using Canva, so just keep on watching. Everybody is making videos these days. Video for training, marketing, tutorial, and social media purposes. Many of the popular videos have short intro sections. It is a technique in creating a professional and polished look. Are you watching Alex Gonzaga, Ivana Alawi, Tony Talks? Yes? You can see that they have a unique style of YouTube intro. Did you know that even if you don't have editing or design skills, you can still create YouTube intro using Canva? Yup, so if you are an aspiring YouTuber or a business owner that is planning to start your videos, then short intro section is a good idea to add to your YouTube videos. In order to keep your viewers, your video intro should be kept under 5 seconds. You also need to align your ideas with these requirements: video length, branding, animated text, quality, music, and sometimes storytelling. Canva is an app that you can use in creating flyers, invitations like wedding and birthdays, and video intro. Canva is free, but you can also subscribe membership to get access to a lot of fonts, animations, and templates. So today, I will show you on how I created my YouTube intro using Canva. Let's get started, mamis. Ito yung YouTube intro ko sa aking Spark Marketing Solution channel. Ito ang ating gagawin today. First, kailangan mo munang mag-login sa Canva. Kung wala pa kayong Canva account, you can create one. I will provide the link in the description box. Once you signed up, click the Create Design in the upper right corner and just type YouTube intro. It is 920 to 1080 pixels. Once you open that, you will see a blank canvas. First thing na kailangan nating gawin is to choose background color. Choose the color based on your brand color and apply it. Next is to add text. As you can see, ito yung mga tab list. Click the option here. There are a lot of templates. You can choose here, but you can also create one. Let's click the headings. Then choose font. So I will use the font Railway since it is my brand font to my business. Then change it to pink. I want the text to be glowing to emphasize my business name. Click the text, then go to the effects and look for neon design. See, I love it. Same steps to the text marketing solution. I choose font Fusion Script, one of my brand fonts. The color is white. Then go to the effects again. Choose what you want to use. This time, I will use Splice and color pink to maintain my brand color. We are already done editing text. Next is we are going to put some design and animated stickers. We will start to add animation in the background para naman hindi siya ganun ka-boring tignan. Go to the Elements tab. Maraming mga libre na magagandang elements dito na pwede nyong gamitin. If you have anything in mind that you want to add, just search it here. I want to have some tape in my background. You can filter it out para naman yung mga animated design lang ang ipapakita. Here, I love the color and the design, and it is animated too. I want to see my pictures in my YouTube intro. Siyempre, para naman i-ano natin ang kagandahan natin, mamis. Now, click the Upload tab here. If you want to upload your own pictures, just click Upload Media. So for me, I already have two pictures that I want to use. Click and click the picture, and of course, I want to remove the background kasi ang pangit nakikita. And you can click the edit image and click the background remover. If you are using Canva for free, hindi available sa inyo ang background remover. Pero pwede nyong gamitin itong remove.bg to remove your background. Tapos, i-upload nyo na lang ulit sa Canva. Balik tayo sa editing. Depende sa inyo kung saan nyo gustong i-position ang iyong pictures. But for me, I will put it here. I will do the process again. Click the picture, then remove background, and then reposition natin ulit. Hintayin lang, medyo matagal ang pag-remove ng background, mamis. That's it. It is a bit dull for me, kaya gusto ko ulit maglagay ng mga animation. Here, click Elements, and then search natin yung Gradient Blob. Hanapin nyo lang kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gamitin dito, mamis. I want to use this as my picture background. Isa dito, and then isa rin dito. Yep. Next is search line to add this sign in Sparkle. Maganda yung animated din, mamis. Here. That's it. Of course, since this is a YouTube intro, wag nating kalimutang maglagay ng subscribe button. So, search subscribe and choose animated 1 2. Okay. Next is add cursor design para naman ma-emphasize ang subscribe button. And of course, animated din, mamis. Yes. This time, we will add page animation naman for better presentation. Click it here, and I will use the pop 1, and that's it. Let's try to play it. Wow, that's good, mommy. Now, let's add music to it. In the menu tab, look for audio. Meron din mga free songs or music dito na pwede nyong gamitin, mamis. Let's choose the ukulele song. Okay, now let's try to play it again, and this time with music. Amazing! We just created a YouTube intro for your YouTube videos, mommies. Of course, mommies, if you have a YouTube intro, of course, you also need a YouTube outro. Let's create using a template this time. Search here, template. Here, I want to use this. I will just change the background color and change it to my brand color. Remove the square one kasi hindi ko naman siya kailangan. Wala din akong mga other videos pa na pwedeng ilagay. Then click design and change the color according to your brand color. Click the picture and change it to my picture, of course. I will put this at the back of my pictures to make it look better and of course to emphasize yung kagandahan natin. Reposition the arrow and text. Of course, mommies, don't forget to add page animation. This time, I will use the clap again. Then add music to it. The same with my YouTube intro, the ukulele song. Let's try to play it. Yup! You are now ready to build your own YouTube videos in professional manner, mommies. Follow me on my social media accounts. I've been sharing tips and tutorials on how to become virtual assistants. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to receive notification on my latest videos.